Hello, welcome to the Lego Cooking Show. Today I'm going to show you how to bake macarons. First, we have to put all the ingredients into the bowl. Now mix it. I'm going to add pink food coloring. Now we got to scoop it onto the tray. Tap it on the table so that it becomes flat. Then put it in the oven. It's time to take it out. Now we have to make the filling. Stick it in the piping bag and assemble the macarons. Yum! Hooray, we finished! Thank you for watching!